sitting in the Nova, and it's running. Now, we got the suspension tight and as straight as we could get it. I plan on tomorrow running it down to the shop to have the alignment, and it's gonna, even though it's got brand new ball joints on it, I think they're already messed up, so I'm gonna just have to replace all that stuff and probably tie rods too. I don't know. I got a couple more parts to buy. I got a grommet to buy. I need to buy another fuel filter after the one, so I can put it after the fuel pump but before the carburetor. And then I need to get probably a new HEI distributor. I think that one might be worn a little bit, which is causing a little bit of a rough bump. It's hard to tell, but it'll run and then it'll do a bump, and I think that's because the distributor's probably going bad, and so I'll just replace it. But as you can hear, it is running, so let's go take a look. Of course, still no exhaust. So, we are one step closer, and I'm super happy. So, hopefully the next video is us getting it to run. Hi, I'm Randy.
I'm November.
I'm July. Ramona too.
And this is Optimus Prime, and we're just ducking around. If you like the content, please consider subscribing.
And thank you for checking us out.